Good morning, everyone. እንዴት አደራችሁ? Okay. So, as usual, daily stand-up እንጀምር. ሼር ከማድረግ How was yesterday's submission? How many of you have managed to submit? ማውራት የማትችሉ ቻት ላይ ጻፉ። የምትችሉ ደግሞ ፕሊዝ ቮለንቲር። Who is going to be the breaker, the first speaker? We have Emilian as well. If you have technical questions. Okay, so let me just call then. Okay, thank you, Daniel, for being the first. Okay, that's great. Thank you for sharing. I see Abdurazak on the first name. Abdurazak, would you like to speak up?
Okay, thank you. I have submitted the interim report, but when I submit the GitHub link, I have tried to submit with 2 times, and it redact the first result.
Yeah, it's fine. It will be corrected by the tutors. So, you have...
and also it cannot track the DVC.
Yeah, አይተነዋል ኮሜንታችን ስታክ ላይም ዲቪዥን እያየሁ አይደለም ግን ኮሬክት እናደርገዋለን። አይናችሁ ስላልሆነ ችግር የለውም። So, are you ready for the next submission, final submission?
Yeah, I'm on task 4.
Okay.
I will finish.
So far so good, except the grading, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you, Abdurazak.
Thank you.
Okay. Next person who would like to share? Tashagar Samrai, thank you for sharing on the chat. Tashagar, you are on good progress. X3, yeah, both Samrai, all of you on the chat, you seem to have gone good progress. Yeah. So, okay, let me just call. Could you share me the link for the Slack channel? Sami, it means you are part of the Slack group አይደለህም እስካሁን? ኢሜል አልደረሰህም? It's fine, just make sure to reach out. ደርሶኛል. Okay, if it's not working, maybe reach out to Makida, the cohort manager. She will be able to help you with that. She will send it again. You have her email address, right? Please reach out to... She's not answering to me. Okay. What is your full name? Is Samuel Mule, is that your full name? So I can forward. Samuel Mulgeta, okay. Then I'll make sure she reaches out to you. Okay. Let me just save your name. Okay, who is the next person to speak? I have submitted, but DVC issues also happened to me. Yeah. Oliad, we have seen the DVC is not being detected by the grader. We will correct it, so please don't worry about that. Okay. So let me just call the next person. I'm seeing again Emilian is here. So if you have non-technical questions, you can ask him. Ayana, I see your name next. So can you share? Ayana Samuel.
What do I have to share? Like,
How was your progress so far?
language?
Have you submitted? Have you managed to submit yesterday's submission?
Yeah, I have submitted for the interim report in the GitHub link, and I think it was a great experience. But the revisiting is also happened to me.
Okay.
I hope it will be corrected soon.
Okay. So other than the grading, you are ready for tomorrow, the final submission.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
working on the task 3 now, and I'll push it uh after like 1 or 2 hours.
Okay.
And after finishing the task 4, I think I'll finish the all the report and tasks until tomorrow. So I think I'm ready.
Thank you, Ayana.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing. Okay, thank you, Fantahon, as well for sharing your progress so far, and you seems like you are on a good track as well. Okay, the next people I'm seeing is from B. Balada Barakat Lahun. Can some of you just share from the B letter name? Okay, Barakat, thank you.
Okay. Hello, good morning, y'all. I think I have a technical question. Some of you are complaining something about the DVC. So it's like a DVC tracking or something. So what do you mean by that? I mean, in my GitHub, I can see that my DVC is tracking. So what are those specific or particular issues that you are having? I don't get it.
Yeah, the issue is not actually with their implementation, it's about the grader. Grader is not detecting their DVC work and giving them
Okay.
mark.
Mhm.
That is a problem.
All right, got it. Okay, thank you.
So while you are here, I'm
Mhm.
assuming you have submitted, right?
Of
So
course, yeah. I already submitted the GitHub link and also the interim report. It went well, but most of the time when I submit the GitHub link, it gives me like 66.67. Like it's a normal thing. So is it going to be corrected or it is going to stay like that?
no, it's going to be corrected. So you have seen the experience with week 1, week 2, right? Your
Of
gradings
course.
are being done, so it will be the same.
All
We
right.
will okay, Barakat. Yeah.
All
So you
right.
are
Thank
good to go for final submission.
Of course, yes, I already completed that task for, but I need to revise something. And after that, I hope I will submit everything until Tuesday.
That's great. So how do you find the challenge?
Honestly speaking, it's a bit challenging. I need to read additional documents, and also thanks for the ChatGPT. I'm just getting enormous help from ChatGPT, but
That's good.
this is the first thing for me, so I need to read and I need to dig in more.
Yeah. Okay. So then it's a good challenge, right? You're
Of
learning.
course.
So
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm learning so many things, and also I think there is some part on the task force. There is some model training like linear regression and other stuff. So it's a bit cool, and also it's very informative. So I really like it, but it's all about pushing your boundaries, right?
That's,
So
yeah.
yeah, of course I'm feeling uncomfortable, but it's it's a part of the process, so I like it.
Yeah. The second time this type of project is presented to you, you will not be, as you are feeling right now. So that's a good thing.
Yeah, that shows the growth is imminent. Like when you grow, you have to feel this kind of things.
That is true. Thank you, Kifiya, for this conversation.
Mm-hmm.
Great. Yes, Belada, you can go ahead next.
Okay, I'm audible.
Hi, you can speak up.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I've also submitted the interim one, both links and the report. So it is also interesting, as Barakat mentioned, every week we come up with new problem and new insights. That's what I have. If any more questions there, I will respond.
So you are ready for the next submission?
Yeah, I'm working on that.
So you think you'll submit, right? I think you'll submit.
Yeah, as usual, it is needs to read more, refer different documents, and it's need also some sort of background, especially if you in this challenge there is new words, what we should have to understand.
Yeah.
Financial words, so they are challenge even if we have a technical concept. So it needs more.
Yeah, that's good. I mean, this is your new training project, so the point is for the next time that with similar concepts, you guys be professionals. So that's all that matters. This is a learning process. So I'm glad everyone, including you, are learning new things. So that's great.
Okay. Thank you again.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Any new people who would like to speak up without me calling names? Who's going to represent the E letter? I see two E's, Emilian and Stefanos. So Stefanos, that would be you. Stefanos looks like that. If you are there, or you can share on the chat as well if you can speak up. Barakat Falaqa and Tashagar Armasu also shared. Yeah, the grade will be corrected, Tashagar, so don't worry about that one. I have some. Okay, that is good. I'm glad you are on task 3. So I'm guessing you have solved the issue with the DVC pool. So that's good. Okay, so let's move to the F letter names. We have Fantahun and Fir'aun. If one of you can speak up, I'll let the other one. Okay, Fantahun, I think you have shared on the Slack. Yeah, you have shared on the chat. Thanks. So Getacho? Getacho, are you able to speak? Okay, Nuria has a question. So those of you who are almost completing, can you write your answer on the chat, your recommendation for handling the issue is mentioning? While you guys do that, let's move to the next talker. Okay, Miju, Nathnael, Miju, Alamu, can you speak up? You just have to say a few words. There's nothing.
Hello?
Okay.
Let's go with Miju, then we'll go with you. Okay, yes, Niju.
Okay, plant submit አድርጌ ነበረ interim submission now was good. And today I'm working on task 3 and task 4. I guess the grading like I had a similar issue and I think እኔ ጋር ችግር የነበረው ምንድነው ጊትን ዳታ የሚለው ሪፖዚተሪ ላይ ለብቻው ነበረ ኢኒሻላይዝ ያደረኩትና I couldn't find it on the GitHub. So ዋናው ፕሮጀክቱ ላይ ፑት ማድረግ ነበረብኝ። አይ ቲንክ እሱ ላይ ካረኩት በኋላ ነበረ ቼክ ሳደርገው አለ ጊታቡ ላይ እና I guess that fixed the issue. Again, still the grading didn't change. So hopefully that will be corrected and overall it's good.
So you are ready for final submission?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully I am, yeah.
Yeah. ሴንሲቲቭ ነው አንዳንዴ አሁን ኢቨን ዊክ 2 ላይ ኦራክል ሰሚሽናችሁ ላይ አብዛኞቻችሁ ኖትቡክ ውስጥ አብዛኞቻችሁ ባይባል ኖትቡክ ውስጥ የከተታችሁ ሰዎች አይደንቲፋይ ያደረገው አልነበረም ለብቻው ስክሪፕት ፈልጎ ስለነበር so it's fine ይሄ ማይነር ኢሹዎች ናቸው we will correct them, don't worry about this. Okay, Nathnael, go ahead.
Okay, not much ምለው ነገር የለም ያው ታስኩን እንትን ሰርቻለሁ like ብዙ ነገር አስተምሮኛል ግን like it was very fast pace for me and I think the problem is with mine kind of previous week ትንሽ ሎድ ስለነበረብኝ ነው ከዛ ውጪ ያ ሞዴሉን በሊኒየር ትሬን ማድረግ ጀምሬያለሁ hopefully ነገ ጨርሰዋል
That's good. Yeah, thank you, Nathnael, for sharing. Who was it? Samuel Muligeta. So here is the Slack link. Shared it on the chat. Use it. Firaul. You can speak, Firaul. Okay, did he let? እያወራህ ከሆነ አይሰማም ማይክ ካንሚት ሆኗል ፊራውል we can't hear you. Okay, Salam, can you share your progress? How was the challenge and so on? Okay, Tinsai Salamu. Can one person, we already are out of time, so I just want to hear from one person. From Tinsai, Firaul. Okay, so Barakat Elahun, yeah. Have you deal with the issue Nouriye is having on your project? Also, someone is there. Oh God, what's like, yeah. Ayana Barakat. Okay, so for answering Fraud's question, I'm not sure how the other people's experience is, but depending on the data and your connection sometimes, or how much the model handles, it might take that much time. So make sure to look your data if there are unnecessary data that you have included or so on to check this. Make sure also to share them on the Slack to see the other people's experience. So, okay, Ayana. Or
Okay, I have the same question as Nuri. I was trying to clean the data and like for the zero values, can we replace them with like mean or median, since the total premium is the numerical feature?
yeah, that's usually the way to go when you have non-values or zeros that you don't need. You either input them or drop them. So maybe dropping it is not a good option in this case, or maybe it is, but you can input them to take the median or mean values, replace the zeros by those values.
Okay, thanks.
Hopefully, Nurie, you have your answer as well. 300,000 zeros is a lot. So try to find one of those ways and see what kind of analysis you can find by imputing those values. Okay. However, I was hoping others would have done this, how they did handle it. But you guys can do your own trial and errors. It's fine. So Hermes, yeah, what kind of issue are you having? Yeah, you can do that, Nuri. Yeah, mean, median, just see how after you replace them with mean values and median, how much your analysis is affected or not, and see it, and you can go back and forth with your ways to handle the zero values. So Hermes, if you can be more specific with the issue part, it will be great to know what to say to you. Because a lot of issues can happen on your GitHub. Okay, so mostly issues will happen during merging when you're, for example, on the branch Yarako change. Let's say you have a branch a separate branch from the main branch, and you have worked on the main branch. And when you make a change on this new branch that is different from the main branch, or mostly it's completely different, when you make git merge, the conflict will not happen. You can easily merge it. But if you have, for example, the same files on the main branch, on the this new external branch, you have the same functions, but on this function you have made some changes, but that function still on the first format it was. So when you are merging it, if these functions new additions that you made are not exactly the same with the main branch, it will give you a conflict error telling you to fix them, to make sure they are similar before merging them. So either you need to accept the incoming merge that you are making from the new branch to the main branch, or you need to make sure the new branch is completely similar with the main branch. So እንደዚህ አይነት ኢሹዎች ሲያጋጥሙ ያለክ አማራጭ ማኑዋሊ ገብተህ ፋይሎቹ ላይ ተለያየ እያለ ብዙ ጊዜ ኤረር ይሰጣል የትኛው ፋይል ላይ ኮንፍሊክቱ እንደተሰጠ። እነዛን ፋይሎች ምን ቦታ ላይ ነው ያልተመሳሰሉት የሚለውን ቼክ አድርገህ ማመሳሰል አለበት ጊት መርጁ እንዲሰራ ማለት ነው። ሶ ኮምፕሊትሊ ዲፍረንት የሆነ ቼንጅ ከሆነ መርጁ ምንም ሁሌም ኮንፍሊክት አይኖረውም። ግን ተመሳሳይ ፋንክሽኖች ላይ አንዱ ላይ ቼንጅ አድርገህ ሌላኛው ላይ ካላረከው ያን ቼንጅ መርጁ ሁሌም ኤረር ይሰጣል። ኤረርም አይባልም፣ ሞር ላይክ ኤሎጊንግ ኢንፎርሜሽን ነው የሚሰጥክ አንድ አይነት አድርጋቸው ከመርጅ በፊት ብሎ። ሶ ያንን ሪድ እያደረግ ማስተካከል ኢትስ ዩር ሬስፖንሲቢሊቲ። But usually to avoid this, what I would do is work on the make the main branch clear. ስጀምሩ ሜን ብራንቹን ክሊር አድርጉት ምንም ነገር የሌለ ይሁንና መጨረሻ የምትሰሩበት ብራንች ላይ ስጨርሱ ራችሁ መርጅ ስታደርጉት ሜን ብራንች ኦልሬዲ ምንም ስለሌለው ያለ ምንም ኤረር ቶሎ መርጅ ይሆንላችኋል። ግን ሁለት ቦታ የምትሰሩ ከሆነ ሜቢ ኢሹን ፊክስ ማድረግ አለባችሁ። So there is no any other way around it. You just have to learn how to do this. Yeah. Okay. So we already have ታይማችንን ሞልተናል። If you don't have more questions or suggestions or whatever, we can end the session. As for the grading issue, it will be regraded by the tutor, so please don't worry about that. Yes, Emilian, you can go ahead.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So since maybe you might have any challenge for now or with the non-technical challenge, but in case you have any maybe during working on it, you can always reach me on Slack or you reach at Good Day. Any related issue with non-technical. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Yes, thank you, Emilian, for that. Okay, great. Then we can end the session. Thank you guys for joining in and sharing your progress.